William Ruto nigagendereire Koegerera Emeroberio ya serikali na kumochia ABARA ibage siasa hase ugutaikirania kwa magendero nigo bona arure ugusaba wache KOBWATERANA mwiri gokonya serikali goikirania obokoreri borobuya nigarenge ko yakwana iga asumo iga bugwa cioria igitabu kia Major Retired Madoka ase nyumba enene yoboraime yomocho Nairobi.
We are beginning to have a conversation as a country. In this place where you are sitting, in the last 2 months, I have sat with all the members of parliament and senators in this place, one by one, to explain to them why Kenya is a third world country by mistake, and by mistake of us, the leaders. There is absolutely no reason why Kenya today is a third world country. Programs and all the other programs. And we want to identify another almost 700,000 young people to support them to be part of the AGBO process. Government procurement. We have a lot of government procurement that's going on, and young people are not participating because of many roadblocks. So we want to prepare them so that the budget we have a huge budget of procurement, close to 200 billion, that is supposed to be reserved for young people, people with disability, and women. But that is not, we're not uptaking that, they're not participating, and we want to see how we can improve their skills. Major Madoka has truly lived up to the title of his memoir, At the Ready. Throughout his life, he has always been ready to serve, ready to lead, and ready to give of himself for his country and this nation.